Hello everyone, welcome to Technological Channel. In today's video, I will show how you can convert any video from a software. So let's begin. So I'm going to open my Google Chrome. So in my Google Chrome, I am just writing Handbrake. At the top, you can see the Handbrake URL link. So I'm going here. You can download the Handbrake software from here. So I'm downloading this. So as you can see that the software is downloading here. As you can see, the download is complete here. So I'm going to install this. So this is the software where you can actually work. So you can see here, you can directly import a file from here, or you can drag and drop any file here directly. So I am dragging a file here. So you can see the file is here. From the summary view, you can see the format here. You can set up the dimension from the dimension box. From the filters, you can add any filters. At the video box, you can set up your frames and your preferences. You can also select your audio preferences, subtitles, and the chapters. So I am making here the frame rate is 25. Once you select the start button, it will select direct converter. So once everything is complete, you can set up the save as file or location here, and after that you just start encode. So you can see the encoding is going on here. So once the encoding is complete, you can play the video. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my channel.